In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Excel files in Google Sheets in under 5 minutes. Whether you're transitioning from Microsoft Excel to Google Sheets for the first time or simply need to view and edit an Excel spreadsheet. Without Excel, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's start by navigating to Google Sheets. If you're unsure how to get there, simply type Google Sheets into your search engine or type in the direct URL in your browser's address bar. Once you've arrived at the Google Sheets homepage, you'll notice it offers a clean, user-friendly interface designed to make your spreadsheet tasks smoother and more productive. Now, to bring your Excel file into this environment, the next step involves clicking on the folder icon located towards the bottom right of the screen. This button is part of Google Sheets' Open feature, which allows you to access files from various places, including your Google Drive, recent documents, and those shared with you. For our current task, this button serves as the gateway to uploading our Excel file. Upon clicking the folder icon, a new window will pop up with several options. Here, you'll want to focus on the tab labeled Upload. Clicking on Upload is your first step towards bringing an existing Excel file into the Google Sheets arena. Google has designed this process to be as seamless as possible, accommodating users who may not be too tech-savvy. With the Upload tab now open, you have two straightforward ways to get your Excel file uploaded, either by dragging the file directly into the window, or by clicking Browse to manually search for the file on your computer. If you're going for the drag and drop method, simply drag your file from its folder and drop it into the designated area on your browser window. Alternatively, if you prefer browsing for your file, clicking Browse will open your computer's File Explorer, allowing you to navigate to where your Excel file is stored, select it, and confirm the upload. Now this is where the magic happens. Once your file is uploaded, Google Sheets will automatically begin converting your Excel spreadsheet into a Google Sheets format. This conversion process is designed to be quick and efficient, ensuring that your data is transferred accurately and neatly. While most Excel features and formulas are compatible with Google Sheets, it's worth noting that there might be slight differences or adjustments needed for more advanced or Excel-specific functionalities. And just like that, your Excel file is now open in Google Sheets. The spreadsheet you uploaded will appear in a new tab, fully editable and ready for you to work on. From here, you can use Google Sheets' robust set of features to view, edit, and collaborate on your spreadsheets in real time. Whether you're analyzing data, creating complex formulas, or simply organizing information, Google Sheets provides a powerful platform that's accessible from anywhere at any time. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips to optimize your experience when working with Excel files in Google Sheets. First, take some time to familiarize yourself with Google Sheets' interface and feature set, especially if you're making a transition from Excel. While many functionalities are similar, there are differences in how certain tasks are accomplished. Also, consider exploring Google Sheets' extensive template gallery to jumpstart your projects. Lastly, don't forget to take advantage of Google Sheets' sharing and collaboration features. The ability to work on documents simultaneously with team members in real time can significantly streamline your workflows and enhance productivity. Congratulations! You now know how to open Excel files in Google Sheets in just a few simple steps. This skill opens up a world of possibilities for seamless collaboration and efficient spreadsheet management, all within Google's ecosystem. Whether you're working on a personal project or collaborating with a team, transitioning your Excel files to Google Sheets will help you leverage the best of what cloud-based spreadsheet management has to offer. Thank you for watching. Stay productive, and see you in the next tutorial.